Take a look at these fresh strawberries. Don't they just make your mouth water? These are just one of the many fresh products folks can find at the Berlin Farmers Market. Not only is this Sunday morning spectacle big time beneficial for consumers, it's also a boost for businesses.
Oh yeah, in 6 years it served as a launching pad of sorts for all kinds of area producers. DelmarvaLife's Katie Zerilli takes us to America's coolest small town to learn more.
We measure out.
Natalie Blanton creates candles.
Now I'm just weighing out the fragrance. This one is the kitchen herbs, so it's pre-blended.
You'll find this entrepreneurial female inside her fragrance shop on West Main Street in Berlin. Honey Water Candles opened just last year after gaining ground at the Berlin Farmers Market.
She built up a very large following, so much in fact that she has this cute little shop here, and it's just beautiful. And she makes her candles right back there.
Ivy Wells is the Director of Economic and Community Development for the town of Berlin. She says this kind of success story happens over and over.
Oh, the Berlin Farmers Market is a launching pad for a lot of the businesses here.
That's in just the 6 years since it's been around.
We started on this little piece of property, and now we take up 3 streets in downtown Berlin.
3 streets, 37 producers.
So here at the Berlin Farmers Market, you can get candles and baked goods and pies and asparagus and salad and rum and mead, and the list is too long for me to even name everything.
Pies? Yes, please. Mikey at Mandala Pies shows us the sweet steps to an apple pie galette.
First, you gotta be gentle. This is pie dough, not pizza dough, so we're just gently rolling it.
Okay.
Gently. We don't want to go over the edges either. You don't want to thin them out. But we're going to thin this out pretty good, but we're going to do it slowly.
I'm a little nervous, to be honest.
Don't worry about it. You're doing great.
Okay. Now, how big does this thing end up?
It could probably fill out that whole circle depending on how
Really?
thin you want to get it, but we're going to
Okay.
get it about 1/8 of an inch thick.
You have a nice
Nice.
secret recipe for this dough?
I do. Lots of butter.
Lots of butter.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a bunch of apples, and you're just going to scoop them up, and we're going to put them right in the middle. Make a little pile right in the middle. That's all you got to do.
Pile of apples in the middle.
Yep.
Okay. There you go. How big is
Perfect.
this?
Perfect. And
That's
then try
it?
to, yep. And then we're going to try to flatten them out a little.
Okay.
Might be just a little too much, but let's just go with it and see what happens.
Yeah. You never know, Mikey. This
You
could I
never
could
know.
have created something incredible here.
Yes. And then what we're going to do is just keep folding these over all the way
Okay.
around. Perfect. All right, now we're going to add our egg wash. This is going to help brown it up really nice.
Paint that on there.
Yeah, just like that.
The final touch, turbinado sugar. This 6-year-old bakery is certainly a mouth-watering member of the Berlin Farmers Market, which Ivy says is producers only.
For Berlin, it's always about quality versus quantity. It's not the amount of vendors or farmers we have here, it's the type of produce that they sell and the type of goods that everyone is making here.
What's really cool is the collab that happens here too. Check this out. These herbs that are going to go into Natalie's candles are from various vendors at the farmers market.
Okay, so right now they're up here to dry. They need to be totally dry before we grind them down into a powder that'll cover the top of the candle.
The culture that's been created is one of camaraderie.
The farmers are so nice, and they recognize you when you come back each week, and they know what you like. If you say, hey, save me some asparagus for next week, they'll remember you.
And you'll remember, too.
You haven't tasted a strawberry until you taste a strawberry that's grown right around the corner.
Plus, the Berlin Farmers Market is a fantastic place for the furry friends.
We're very pet friendly. We're so pet friendly that we have a pet selfie station. You could have your dog pose in front of it, take a picture. There's water for your dogs. We've even had goats here.
Ivy says it's even caused businesses in town to open for a few hours while it's going on. So everyone can truly have fun here.
Well, I mean, I don't know about kids not being bored, But there is a giant toy store here, and they open up early on Sunday.
Not only is this an exciting, engaging weekly event to be part of, it's also creating opportunities that are changing lives.
It's so rewarding. And that's on a personal level, it's rewarding. But it's so incredible to be able to watch someone's dream come true.
For growth that begins at the farmers market, the future is full of possibilities.
The Berlin Farmers Market takes place every Sunday from 9 to 1, rain or shine, from May through September.
I live around the corner from there and I still don't go every week.
No excuse.
I should go more often.
Absolutely.
But if I do, then I don't fit in the jacket, so I don't know what to do.